Hi, welcome to this channel. Today, our topic is about what is VLOOKUP, how we apply VLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. First, we can understand the formula for VLOOKUP. Here is the formula. In this screen, you can see that formula is VLOOKUP parenthesis starts, then lookup value, then table array, then column index number, and then range VLOOKUP. Now, in next screen, you can see that the item you are trying to find is the lookup value, and table array is the table in which you found the want to find the value. So you will select that table, and the column index number is the number of column in which your value is written, and then we select the last point is the range, that will be 0 or 1. We use 1 for appropriate number and 0 for the exact number. If we select 0, then it shows that the exact value which is written in the table is selected in the column. And if we use the appropriate number, that it means if the value is lower than the selected table, for example, if we give the range from 1 to 0, if the value is above 1, then the value of 2 to 1 will select, and if the value is less than 2 or equal to 1, then the value of 1 to 0 in the table will be selected. I will give you an actual example in the Microsoft Excel. An example, I have here the table including the employee ID and the employee time. This is employee ID and this is employee time. And here the formula is given. I have just only write here the employee ID and it will give me the employee time exactly the same. I remove the employee ID. You have seen not applicable is written over here. It means the formula is given. Not applicable, not applicable. Now again, here I write the employee ID 1003. Have you seen 1003? The employee time is 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. and here it's written 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. and now I will write here 1000 and here it's written 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. and here I write 1001 and here it's written 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Now suppose I write here 999 and I will copy the formula from here to this. It shows not applicable. Why it shows not applicable? Because the value of 999 is not available in the employee ID form. And here I write 999 and let's suppose I give the time from 10 p.m. to 3 a.m. I suppose I have given this time. Have you seen 10 p.m. to 3 a.m. Now I will show you how I apply this formula by an example. I remove first I remove this formula, and in 999 I will apply the formula. How I will apply here? We will write here is equal to we look up and parenthesis starts. And now first you see what is the lookup value. Which is the lookup value? This is the lookup value. Then again comma table array. We want to find this value in which table? This is the table. So we write select it from here to here. Now listen, the lookup value will give, if we select 999, this is on left hand side and this is the first lookup value column. If it will be the second, then we will first make it the first column, then again we select the table. For this we have select, we want to find the value of 999, so we select from employee table to employee time. Now again comma, and here is column index number. The value of 999 we want which employee time, which we find employee time, and employee time is in column number 2, so we write here 2. And for after that, here you have seen the appropriate match, the exact match. First I will give you the example of exact match. For exact match I will write here false or 0, so I will select here 0, and then again column closed, and here the value is written over here. Now here I have an example for the appropriate match. Recent you see the example for exact match, and now here I have the example for appropriate match. Have you seen here employee ID and the employee time in the same table, and here is employee ID and the employee time, and I have written here the formula. You have seen that we look up the value number is this, then we select the table. In this table you have select, and then I have to find the employee time, and the employee time is in the column number 2, so I have selected here 2. And for appropriate match I will write here true. You can write 1 or 2 and then parenthesis close. I have write here true, and after this the value of 1000 is written here 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. the employee time. The employee time is given here 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Now 1003, have you seen here any 1003? There is no 1003 employee ID in this table, and here is employee ID of 1004, and 1003 is less than 1004. So here in 1003 the value is given here, the employee time is 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. It means if the value of this table is shortened than this, then the value of upper letter will be shown in the table. This is the value of, this is the formula of appropriate match. So we mostly use the exact match in VLOOKUP, and if the value is equal to 1004, then the exact value of this, have you seen here 1004, the exact value is 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. is shown the figure. And here if I write here 1002, sorry, I will select here 1002. Then again you have seen the value is remain the same. Now I will write here 1005. 1005. Now the time is changed. The time is what? The employee ID of 1004. It means the employer ID is remains the same to 4 to 7. The employer time will be the same. 7 and above, less than 10, the employer ID will be this. And I will write, if the employer ID up to 20, then the timeline will be again this. I hope you will understand the value of true or false in VLOOKUP. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe this channel so that you can get more videos like this.